Hey guys, this is King Mean, aka It's a Pretty Cool Guy, also known as Emptyways on YouTube, to my left over here.
How's it going, everybody? Monkey checking in. Super excited for another episode. Let's go!
Eyes in here.
Yo, stop here. Fizzing down there, and we are reacting to nature. Come back.
Nature.
Limbo. Let's go.
Dance with the stick and you go under it. And, yeah.
Let's go.
Ooh, red.
Okay. Digging it so far.
It hasn't even started, bro. It's just some music.
Yeah, it has. I'm digging the bass line.
Oh, I see.
You know, yeah, baseline, man. Baseline. Oh, shit.
Got some sass
she
going
looks
on
good.
here.
Perfect.
Perfect already?
I'm calling it. I'm calling it.
Perfect. I mean,
It's based off visuals.
let's go.
I don't think that's professional reacting, Monkey.
This is professional. Ready? I really like that techno background music. Ooh, cool hair.
Pool table.
Cool table.
Yeah.
See? I mean, that's human arms, but still.
They have multiple different hair.
This is mesmerizing. Now it's getting crazy.
And now she has long hair, and then the other shot she has short hair. It's crazy.
Don't lie.
I can't limbo.
My back would break.
My back hurts.
So it has like 3 speeds so far. Oh, apple juice.
What's in the moonlight?
Awesome stuff. Sailor Moon.
We can do that.
I don't want to do that with you guys.
I don't want to do it either.
Fishnets.
They have a lot of cool outfits.
Man, I'm so stupid. Throughout the whole music video, I'm like, what is that thing called when you're doing that? Literally, they're doing the limbo.
Oh yeah, you're stupid.
I already explained what it was. Holy cow. That's unprofessional.
It took them 2 minutes to figure that out.
Almost 3. Hairs are on point, King Bean. You agree?
Hair is hella on.
I agree.
Everything's on
How
point, man.
they're using their hair as like a dance prop.
Oh, they're ramping up.
Yeah, I told it, like, there's multiple speeds to this song.
Pretty cool. I like it.
Ooh, I want some.
Love it.
Yeah.
Perfect.
That was
in
a
the
shout
limbo.
out to Fizzin when he spills the hot tea.
Nature Cosmo. Human.
Human.
Entertainment.
And HC. That was great. That was awesome. I really liked how it had, there was some unique stuff to it. Like I said, the 3 different speeds of the song. And using their hair as like a dance prop and stuff. It was pretty cool.
King can do the hair thing.
He cannot.
The beat goes with the title of the song. So yeah.
That's discrimination.
The first
Against the otherwise hair placed. Yeah. Fizzin says there's 2 choruses in the song. There's the limbo part, and then the second is the hair swing. So 2 choruses in the one song. That's pretty cool. Because the chorus is usually the best part of a song.
Usually, yeah.
Usually.
Unless the chorus is just music. I hate those.
Yeah.
Well, this was not that.
Well,
so pretty
No,
cool.
Yeah.
I'm just saying.
Yeah, so I said my piece. What do you guys think? Chipsets on point.
On point.
Dude, their
On fleek.
outfits is amazing styles. Well, some of them has different hairstyle between the different shots. That's pretty cool too. Like the I'm not talking about like all of them has pretty much has like 2 different hairstyles. between the different shots.
And there's a lot of different scenes and set pieces too. There's
Yeah.
a lot of
There's a
variety
whole-
of different scenes. It's keeping you like, I don't know. It's just crazy.
Yeah, it was.
And in a
Oh,
good way,
yeah,
though.
I always like nature, so this is
Yeah,
just
yeah.
another one that I like from them.
I had a
It's great.
blast.
It's great that
energetic.
Play it.
I haven't seen them for a while. Yeah.
It's like, damn. Yeah.
Yes, very energetic. Very energetic. King Bean, what do you got? You're not saying much.
Limbo, man, Limbo.
His
That's
mind
the
his
thing.
mind is stuck on limbo.
His mind is stuck in limbo.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it was it was really good. I think we all enjoyed it. So make sure you guys head over to Nature's channel and support this song. Give it the thumbs up. Subscribe to their channel if you haven't. As we always say here at Asiakore, don't forget to support the
Sup.
artist.
Support.
'em.
Support.
Always support
Here we
'em.
go. We're all saying it. Well, Fizzon's thinking it. But anyways, and do the same thing for us. Give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Drop a comment down below. Let us know what you think of our reaction to Nature Limbo. And we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Peace.
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 Peace.